Hello soft lifers, welcome to another interesting video. Let's prepare this tasty potato and egg combo. It's a very comforting and tasty dish. Let's do this. Let's start by preparing one large potato. Using a peeler, remove the potato skin. Make sure your potato is nicely peeled. Cut the potato into 2 halves. Next, cut into slices just like so. Transfer the potatoes into a bowl and pour in enough water. Wash it to prevent oxidation and browning. Go ahead and drain the cloudy water and pour in clean water again and let it sit there for some time. Next, chop the green onions. Roughly cut it. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you, and to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Kindly leave a like and subscribe to this channel. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 eggs. Go ahead and crack it, but feel free to adjust everything according to your preference. Whisk it nicely. In your pan, add a generous amount of oil, then add in your eggs and let it cook. Flip on the other side to cook as well. Go ahead and cut it into small squares. At this point, you can use a knife or a scissor. In the same pan, add in a generous amount of oil. Let it heat up, then go in with your sliced potatoes. Arrange it in such a way that they are not on top of each other and leave it to cook till tender. After browning, add your steamy onions and give it a good stir. Then add your leafy onions and also stir it. Add 2 drops of soy sauce to give it some color. If it's a bit dry, add in some water instead of oil, because we don't want our food to be too oily, alright? Then go in with salt to taste. Mix spices. At this point, you can add any spice of your choice. Then go in with your eggs. Let it cook while stirring for about 1 minute and our food is ready. Go ahead and serve it while hot. You can have this for breakfast or lunch and it's so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like, leave a sweet comment and subscribe for more content like this. See you on my next one. Bye bye.